Your legs, they no longer just ache. They feel like chains tied around you, as if someone poured cement inside them during the night. Each step feels heavy. Each move is a struggle. And deep in your heart, you carry the fear. One wrong step, one slip, and you might fall. You whisper to yourself, "It's just old age." But another voice, a stronger one, says, "No, this is not how life after 60 should be. Listen to me carefully. What I'm about to share with you is not a drug. It doesn't come from a pharmacy. It comes from the earth. Nature itself has provided healing foods that fight pain, stiffness, weakness, and fatigue. Foods that can help you walk with confidence, stand with pride, and feel alive again. This is not a fantasy. It's real. And today, I will reveal the exact vegetables that can change how you move, how you feel, and how you live. Stay with me, because this message has reached you for a reason. Your comeback starts now. Number 1, sweet potatoes, the fire for tired legs. They may look humble, but they are a powerhouse of magnesium and potassium, minerals that relax tight muscles and ease joint inflammation. If your legs cramp during the night or buckle under your weight, this is the food that steadies you. Unlike sugary snacks, sweet potatoes give slow, steady energy, like a quiet flame burning under your legs. Try them baked, steamed, or roasted with olive oil. With every bite, you feed your strength back. Number 2, spinach, the green lifeline. Weak legs, tingling feet, or cold toes often point to poor circulation. Spinach is nature's secret for opening up blood vessels. It raises nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes arteries and allows blood to flow freely. That means more oxygen rushing into your legs, less swelling, less heaviness. Start your morning with spinach in your omelette or blend it into a smoothie. It's not just a vegetable, it's a bridge carrying strength to your legs. Number 3, beets, the stamina root. If you often feel drained after a short walk, if climbing stairs leaves you breathless, beets are your answer. Their natural nitrates awaken your blood vessels, especially in your lower body. Studies show seniors who drink beet juice can walk farther with less fatigue. Imagine taking longer walks, stopping less often, feeling steady again. That's the gift of beets. Number 4, broccoli, the bone builder. Behind many cases of weak legs lies fragile bones. Broccoli brings calcium, vitamin K, and powerful antioxidants that protect bone density. If your doctor has ever said your knees are bone on bone, don't give up hope. Your body can rebuild when you give it the right fuel. Steam broccoli 2 to 3 times a week, and you're not just eating, you're repairing. Number 5, carrots, the nerve protector. Tingling, numbness, or that unsteady shuffle you sometimes feel is often nerve weakness. Carrots provide vitamin A and beta-carotene, which protect nerves from oxidative stress and help restore the signals between your brain and your legs. Stronger signals mean steadier steps, better coordination, and less fear of falling. Crunch them raw, or cook them with a light touch of butter, and feel your nervous system thank you. Pause for a moment. If your legs have been failing you, don't let that decide your future. You are not done. Your strength is not gone. It's waiting to be rebuilt. And real food, not painkillers, has the power to restore what was lost. Number 6, kale, the inflammation fighter. Pain often hides behind inflammation, the silent fire burning in your joints. Kale is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin C, and compounds that shut down this fire naturally. Unlike pills that only numb, kale heals from within. Toss it into soups, salt with garlic, or juice it with apples. With every serving, you are not just reducing pain, you're reversing its cause. Number 7, garlic, the circulation secret. Garlic does more than add flavor. It helps thin the blood just enough to improve circulation, especially to your legs and feet. That means warmer toes, lighter calves, less heaviness when you walk. Crush a clove. Let it sit for 10 minutes to Activate its healing compounds and cook it into your meals. Soon, you'll feel the difference in every step. Before I reveal the final food, I want you to do something powerful. In the comments below, type one word: strong. That is your declaration, your promise that you're not giving up. You are reclaiming your strength. Number 8. Avocados, the muscle restorer. Though called a fruit, they earn their place here. Avocados provide healthy fats, magnesium, and potassium, nutrients that repair tired, aching muscles. Seniors who eat half an avocado a day report fewer cramps, better balance, and more energy. Imagine walking with a lighter step, feeling secure, even moving like someone half your age. That is the avocado effect. So remember, pain is not the end of your journey. Weakness is not your destiny. Your legs still have more to give. Your body still responds to nourishment. And God in His wisdom has placed healing in the foods of the earth. Start today. Add one of these foods, then two, then more. Step by step, you'll walk stronger, stand taller, and live freer. You are not aging. You are awakening. You are not finished. You are rebuilding. And you, my dear elder, are not alone. This is Elder Wisdom, where strength has no age. Please like, subscribe, and share this message with someone whose legs deserve healing too.